morning, everybody. This is Lin-E, Campfiregirls, and it's going to be a hot one today. I got my yard picked up from our microburst on the 4th of July and finally got it mowed. We had nothing but rain. I've got weed eating left to do. Look at the grass back there at that fence. Oh my goodness. Did get the outside mowed, but it's already growing. I'll show you how tall that grass is back there on that fence. Let me zoom in. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Anyway, I've got my pool set up. Got my patio picked up. I've got some painting I need to do. This is my old iron set, patio set, and it was green at one time, and then I've been painting it the dark rustic brown ever since I've had it, and it is due. So the green's coming out along the edges. But I'm kind of liking it, and I'm like, you know, maybe I'll just wait. I got the paint, but I don't know, I kind of like it. And there's my fountain. It's got wild morning glories coming up in it. I don't know, they follow me wherever I go, and I think it's because my mother was always planting morning glories. So I don't know, I had them in Clinton in this fountain, and they came up by themselves. When I moved here, they came with me. I have not planted any flowers, as you can see, except for that is my plant. My hen and chicken comes up every year. That came up on its own. And then I brought my airplane plant out. I need to get some babies off of it and start a new one. It's gotten way too big. And I love that plant. My oldest granddaughter gave me that little bitty plant years ago. And so I keep it because I love her and I miss her. And then there's the pool. Getting ready to get in here in a minute. But anyway, it's been a... If you walk around this way, Rosey's hunting lizards. You hunting lizards again this morning? See, there's all the sticks too. Gonna burn. And I could never get it level. And I just got tired of hassling with it. And I had the filter and all that stuff. And this time I'm just trying not to even do a filter. I'm gonna try that and see how that works. It seems like with the chemicals and everything, by the time I'd get the water just right, it was so hot I'd have to dump it all out and start over. So I'm just going to dump it out and put fresh water in it. That's what my plan is. There's the drain right there. I'll just put a hose on there and drain it out. Anyway, so big old storm. Still got weed eating to do. Got that all mowed out there. And there's Vanhalen. We got Vanhalen. I've been moving back in. I need to paint these chairs too. Now these chairs had yellow underneath, but I got some paint. Paint them. And as you can tell, I have empty pots. I just not into spending the money on flowers. They just die in a couple months. Now, if I could find some good fake ones, I'd put them in there. Anyway, I'm going to give you a pre-look. And then...